Defending champions Kingston College retained the boys' crown while Immaculate Conception High won their first title as the curtain came down on the two-day corporate area high schools athletics championships at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College a short while ago. Kingston College amassed 519 points, finishing ahead of JC 475, Calabar 283, Wolmer's boys 157.5, and Excelsior High 140 points, rounding out the top five. Immaculate totaled an impressive 402 points to win their maiden title on the girls' side. They were followed by outgoing champions Excelsior 288, Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy with 278.33, Wolmer's girls 220.5, and the Queen's School 134 points. And we'll have a comprehensive report in Primetime Sports Sunday. Meanwhile, two of the three records broken on Friday's opening day came in the 100-meter finals. Natrice Easter of Wolmer's girls led the way with a new mark of 11.58 seconds to win the Class 2 event. She finished ahead of Kayla Johnson of Immaculate Conception, 12.12, and Kedoya Lindo of Excelsior High, 12.17 seconds.
I've been working towards that time or lowering my time at each meet, so it's not surprising. It's all because of my hard work.
Ajani Lumley of Wolmer's boys also set a new mark of 10.84 seconds to win the Class 3 100-meter final. He finished ahead of teammate Joshua McWilliams at 10.91 and Kemanik Edwards of KC 10.92.
Although I didn't get the best start, I still came out and did my best, executed my race, thanks to God, and thanks to my mother for endless support.
Calabar High's Jamal Stevenson was the fastest overall on the day, clocking 10.36 to win the Class 1 boys final. He held off Tyrese Foreman of St. George's College 10.37 and Nyrone Wade of Kingston College 10.40 seconds.
Let's get the main thing, as I always say. Go out there, execute, and just run my own race.
In other 100-meter finals, Tiana Marshall of Wolmer's girls sped to a personal best 11.68 to win the Class 1 event. She finished ahead of Shakina Reed of Penwood High 11.83 and Chevian Shim of Immaculate 11.84.
That was literally the only goal. Pop the blocks and just keep on pushing, drive, try to stay relaxed and compose. And I did what I wanted to do. I wanted to break 11.7 seconds and I did just that. And I can't thank nobody else but God.
Tyler Morgan of JC clocked a personal best 10.83 seconds to win the Class 2 boys equivalent, ahead of teammate Orlando Anglin 10.88 and Maria Ross of Wolmer's 10.91 seconds. Alia Ross of Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy clocked a personal best 12.15 seconds to take the Class 3 girls 100 meters.